Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful sunny day out here in the Valley of the Sun. Wish y'all were here because we have probably one of the best summers in the state. Or sorry, correction, big correction. One of the best winters in the States. I think our average is like 68 or something like that. I was reading the other day. Anyways, today I am looking at this train. Customer called, said thermostat went blank or went black, and I get here. First thing I do is I took the face off the thermostat right away. Went between red and common, red and green, red and yellow, see if I had any voltage, and I did not. So I come up here, take this panel off. I check my voltage. Well, I check my voltage here and here because all the lights were on. Right now it's unplugged, but all the lights were on. Okay, and I checked my voltage here and here, and I had, of course, 27 volts. So I'm like, okay, I have 24 volts there, but not at the thermostat base. Why is that? Well, it's gotta be broken somewhere. Luckily, all I did was just kind of walk around, and I see this gigantic ball of tape, of like old tape and whatnot. As you can see, all this I cleaned up off of this and do everything, and then I find, of course, this broken red wire. If you know anything about, you've been doing this for a little while, and you know anything about low voltage, is you'll know that splices, and not just low voltage, even high voltage is a common issue. That if you have a splice in a wire or anything like that, that is your first place that you need to go check to see if something like that didn't happen, like maybe a wire melted, something like that. Because splices, if you can have solid running wire, all the way from the thermostat to the unit, that's the best way to do it. But if for some reason you have a splice, that is always going to be a weak point or a place that you may have a failure, because wire nuts get hot and they melt and they break, just like that happened right there. I don't know how long this unit's been on. Yeah, this unit's been on for almost 5 years, 4 or 5 years now. 5 years actually it's been on here. And then finally this decided to go out. This decided to break off. So this is just a video mainly for new technicians, something to keep in mind. Okay, always check splices. If you see a splice nearby, that's the first place you want to check. If you are getting voltage at the unit, whether you're getting voltage there but you're not getting a thermostat, check your splices. All right, that's pretty much it, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. As always, like and subscribe, comment, and we will see you on the next one. Peace. Okay.